Hello guys, in this short and basic video today I will show you how to download and install Microsoft PowerToys. So open store and search here PowerToys, Microsoft PowerToys. It's a very useful application for daily use. Search and open and install. And once this installing process complete, restart your system and try it. So this is a very simple and quick video guys to learn how to download and install software in your Windows system. You can check the description playlist. I There is the show some more videos to download different applications like WhatsApp, Instagram, Python, and another a large number of applications. So Microsoft PowerToys is a set of utilized for power users to tune and streamline their Windows 10 and Windows 11 experience for greater productivity. So just install and open this Microsoft PowerToys and try it. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not.